Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again, and the hat is going to go on because we did pretty good in the last break. The baseball breaks were pretty good, so I'll wear the hat in this. Watching the Yankees down by 1 run. Hopefully Lance Berkman can tie it up. He's been struggling. And there's all the packs. Box empty. Here we go. It's the Mojo hat, Kent. Let me just let me move the camera up a little bit. All right. We're all set to go. Here we go. 3 hits, 2 jerseys. You guys all know 2 jerseys, 1 on-card auto. I hope we don't hit the auto. Usually with this box, we hit 3 hits right off the bat, and then we have 10 packs that are dead. And what do you know? A jersey. For the Broncos, we have a jersey of Jay Cutler, green border. I know Steve is liking that card. Jay Cutler for the Broncos. And base. Come on, Chris Johnson. And then we have a silver, numbered at 87, which is his jersey number. We got Caldwell, Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. I look French. Yeah, this hat is big on me, so I don't know. Pack a base there. Hopefully we could get 1 big auto. They have Legends autos in here, which would be nice. Lance Berkman just walked. And for the Packers, we have a black border of Jordy Nelson. Not numbered. And then a black border for the Ravens. What up, Rutgers? Adam J. Aiello. Ray Rice for the Ravens. And we got a gold border. What's that numbered to? Numbered at a 50. For the Bears, we have a Dick Butkus. What up, Brianna? Brianna got the Dick Butkus. That's numbered at a 50. Yankees are about to hopefully come back. And next hit will be a jersey for the Lions. Calvin Johnson. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. 4 packs left. And here's our auto. Here's our auto, and it'll be for the Raiders. Michael Huff autograph for the Raiders. On card, as always. Scott called it. I didn't even realize that. Scott calling it. Michael Huff auto. 3 packs left in this, so no Chris Johnson for me. A black border for the Colts of Johnny Unitas, not numbered. Yeah, so I guess you should know it. A a blue border for the Seahawks of Brian Bosworth out of 150. And final pack will be a black border for the Jets of some guy named Joe Namath. So that's box number 1. 5 boxes to go. GSN Cards is out.